Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. If you've not been here before, my name is Jamie and this is Little Big Vlogs, and today we are down the south of the UK at Selsey Peninsula, and this is the Easter weekend. It's Sunday, 10:30 AM. We're down at the Manhood Classic Car Club show, and today is a beautiful day. It's about 15 degrees Celsius. It's not very windy. The beach is just over my left hand shoulder, so please join us, like, subscribe, hit the notification button, and let's go and see what classics we can find today, guys. Right, well, the first port of call, guys, at any classic car event has to be the Mustangs. My favourite of all American muscle cars. That is the Mustang 288, two doors. Look at it. It is absolutely, it's original, which is absolutely awesome. Look at this one, baby blue 289 Ford Mustang. Yeah, see, this is what I want to get one day, guys. Hopefully I'll be able to pick one of these up myself one day and build one with my son, and we will vlog all of that as well. But wow, look at it. The GT350 Cobra steering wheel. And the 1949 Cadillac DeVille. Look at that. Oh my God, they're thicker than my sofas in my lounge. There we go, nice bench seat. Beautiful dashboard, look at all the chrome in there. The old style speedometer. Look at that, guys. Absolute dream car, that is. Ford Capri 2.8 injection. Not seen many of these about in the UK recently, but it's always nice to see one at a show. Look at this absolute classic, guys. It has the hand crank at the front, look. It's a Ford, and they've called it an Annie. It's the Ford Annie. Now this is what you call a piece of history, guys. Look at that, the exhaust there. It's a beautiful bit of artwork, this, guys. Oh my God, how beautiful is this classic Rolls Royce, 100th anniversary Rolls Royce, 1922 to 2022. Absolute piece of artwork, that, guys. Absolutely gorgeous. It's something you'd expect the mobsters to be riding around in on the old films. Absolute classic, beautiful car. Look at the size of the drum brakes on it, guys, if you can see that. They are huge. Look at this. Now this is what you call a piece of power. Absolute beast, that is. Look at that, guys. 0 to 60 in 2.6 seconds, 0 to 105.3 seconds, up to 150 in 10.4 seconds. Fastest ever road-going supercar around the Top Gear track. This is an absolute animal. Look at that for an engine, guys. That is an absolute beast. And then we have the classic motorbikes over here, guys. The Royal Enfield. Look at that. That is one of my favourite old-time bikes. The Interceptor 650 military bike. You got the racing bikes over here, like a touring bike. So I'm not very good with bikes. I'm not 100% sure what all these are called. You got the Triumph here. I know that because it says it on the tin. You got the Harley Davidson over there, because everyone knows what a Harley Davidson is. But look at this Harley. This Harley is definitely something I would have in my driveway. That is what you call a work of art. If I did own one, though, I don't think I would ever ride it. That's the problem. I'd be too scared. So guys, thank you very much for joining us on our little Selsey adventure at the Manhood car show. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope I filled you with some information that was not wrong. Thank you very much, Annabelle. So what is the best thing about having a car show at the beach is having an ice cream afterwards and filling yourself up with some beautiful hot donuts. So if you enjoyed what you saw today, guys, please like, subscribe, hit that notification button. Let's try that again. Like, subscribe, hit the notification button. Thank you very much for watching, guys. I'll see you soon. Bye.